Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. So in today's video I will be making Jamaican curry goat, and I will be serving that with rice and peas. Now let's cook. So guys, I went ahead and I trimmed my meat. I also cut all my vegetables. Now I'll be seasoning it. Here I'm adding pimento seed. Now I'll be using garlic powder. One of the seasons I'll be using to season it: garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and the curry powder. And I'm using two different curry powders because my better pack, it almost finished. Well, it's actually finished. That's why I'm using the Montego curry powder. And guys, I'll be sure to list all the ingredients down in the description below. Now guys, using a glove, I'll be massaging all these seasoning in the meat, just making sure that it is well seasoned. And guys, please wear a glove because trust me, this curry stain, it's no joke. You'll thank me later, I promise you. Wear a glove, okay? And then I will be covering it. You guys can actually let it marinate overnight, but I will be marinating mine for about 2 hours. Now guys, I'm heating 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Then I'll also be adding 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Then I'll be adding the marinated meat, and I'm going to allow it to sear for about 8 minutes. Just continue to turn your meat while it's searing, and as I said, you're just going to let that sear for about 8 minutes. Now I'm going to cover it and let it develop its own juice for about 5 minutes. Then continue turning it. I'll be covering it once more, and I'm just going to let it develop its own juice one last time. And there it is guys, just continue turning it. I'm gonna cover it as I said and let it develop its own juice. Then I'll be adding 4 cups of boiling water. Now after I add the boiling water, I'm gonna stir it and I'm gonna cover it and let it simmer for an hour and a half. So okay guys, now that the water have been reduced a little bit, just continue stirring it. Then I'll be adding 4 more cups of water. Yes guys, add more water to it because it's still tough, it's still hard. Okay, it's still not tender. So just go ahead, add your water, cover it again, and then allow it to simmer for another 45 minutes. Okay guys, so now I'll be checking to see if the meat is almost done, and it's nowhere to be done. If I was using a pressure cooker, it would be so much easier. It would be so much easier guys. If you have pressure cooker, use that. I don't have one, so I'm just using my good old pot, Dutch pot. Okay, so anyways, go ahead, add back your 4 cups of water, cover it, allow it to simmer for an additional 45 minutes once more. Okay. So okay guys, I'm gonna be testing my meat one last time. Okay, it seemed to be getting there. I don't like my meat to be mushy. I don't like my meat to be mushy at all. So yeah, our meat is finally, well, it's not actually there, it's almost there. But after I add my season and allow it to simmer for another 15 minutes, it'll just be perfect, just tender. Okay, see that, just perfect. So now I'm adding my vegetables and allowing that to simmer, as I said, for another 15 minutes, just making sure that your potatoes are well cooked. And guys, I'm not sure if I'm the only one who likes to add coconut milk to my curry, whether it's curry goat or curry chicken. I like adding coconut milk to it. So yeah, just go ahead and add your coconut milk, and it just gives it this extra flavor. So guys, I'm gonna be going over that with garlic and onion powder because I just like when my meat is flavorful, guys. I just love when everything has flavor. Okay, just go ahead and taste it. Just go ahead and taste your curry, just making sure that it has flavor and not just salt. Okay. So just cover that and allow it to simmer for an additional 15 to 20 minutes until the liquid have been reduced, just like this, guys, just like this. And guys, I'm not sure if I mentioned that I also add ginger to it. Yeah, I went ahead and I cut some ginger and add to it. Yeah, you can just go ahead and do so. But anyways, my meat is done, and I'm just going to plate that up. I went ahead and I steamed some rice and peas. I will be serving that with some vegetables and avocado. I also wanted to add plantains, but damn, I just didn't have the time. I was so tired, guys. But guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, guys, please go ahead and do so. Okay, but anyways guys, here is the finished product. As I said, I love you guys so much for always watching my videos, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post new videos. I love you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.